To hide apps in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the security and privacy options, and then we can scroll down until we see private space. If you enter it for the first time, you will need to perform setup for your private space. I've made a dedicated video on how to perform that setup, so if you need help with that, you can watch it on this channel. When your private space is created, then you can go back to your home screen and swipe up like this so we can see the apps screen. Scroll all the way down and then there should be a private area. Usually it will be locked like this. So you need to click on this lock icon and enter a password that you've made for the private space. Now inside of the private space, you'll be able to add specific apps. So click on the add button and then install an app. Now you can search for the app that you want to add, for example, Facebook. And right here, after we install it, it should appear in our secure area app. So we can wait until it shows up. Here it is. So if we lock our private space and then look for the Facebook, it won't appear and it's hidden. So if you want to get it, you will need to each time unlock your private space and that way keep that app hidden. You can repeat it with whichever apps you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.